hlala phansi, hlala phansi, hlala phansi, hlala phansi, hlala phansi, hlala phansi, hlala phansi. Lalela. Bafosa ukurapha kodwa akivara bakwazi. Game igcwele ama-fakes lokho ngikusha nginanazi. Ubani leli gorilla liphuma lana mina ngilazi. Your niggas are a waste nhlanganisa ishet nengxazi. Lalela sana. Rapper kuyona indawo yokudukela nizophindela kwi-house ngoba ekhanda ngathi niyadukela. Ningibheke kahle mina itsunami yothukela ngiyodonsa isihlalo ngihlale phansi manifuna ukungisukela. Abazi benzani ngisho ama-beats abayabhimba. Wish I could jump on stage so that ngizokwazi ukunivimba. Sina siyasebenza siyajuluka siyaqimba. I-rap umgodi sihamba nimile namasimba. Sack me. Straight up man. Yo. Skibila zonke. Nireti. Yo. Hey. All I need is just a single opportunity. Prove that I could take over this entire community. Rap until they all get angry as they wanna be. You'll start a fight, I stand my ground, Statue of Liberty. I stand right here, slowly raise my middle finger. I don't really care whether you rap or you the middle singer. Mess with me, as the one to sing Kinga, cause I bring more kicks than an angry looking Dr. Malinga. Check the hourglass, don't you see your time is gone? Let this hour pass, cause in the next a new star is born. That'll be me claiming the throne that you were sitting on. When you alone, I pick at you like you my Pokemon. We just ubani up against Mr. Intelligent. Azuruti trapping Gungunyana with an elephant. That you need and just think they get relevant. Sfuna Buyu Zuma Slungi Sibu was the president. First of all, you and I will never argue. I party the whole night with no more stuff in jail right curfew. Been fake, Julie Corona and the swine flu. This is the type of shit your baby mama wants to move to. I'ma shine, not in future right now. Minutes man at school, look at this, they can't tell a kulu kanyimbao. See me Mikey, Gegu Grappa and the crowd cause how? Cause people want me to say more like I'm a cow. Satisfied, the man and heal is secret weapon. They are food is to call it back, I'm a secret weapon. I'm trying to get, quest me I can rely on. Lama chicken licking a cat when a hungry lion. Satisfied, the man and heal is secret weapon. They are food is to call it back, I'm a secret weapon. I'm trying to get, that's me I can rely on. Lama chicken licking a cat when a hungry lion. See what they do is confuse the game. How they do is they choose and they choose by name. They choose by name. Pity that they choose the lame. And it's that same lame with the name that kills the game. Kills the game. Panic and I feel the shame. I come in looking like Akon and take the blame. I take the blame. I won't even tell him my name. And if you still don't get the picture, then I change the frame. Hey, awushwele ngaze ngakudabukela khathwe nami ngekho noyedwa la ungakulamlela ngoba kwazakwe hayibophula ngiyayidlalela kuthi kumnandi mangiselowa not lokhe ngiyidala phela usatisfied the Maren Hill is secret weapon ngiyafundisa uqola imfeka ama secret weapon angithemba ungena I can rely on lama chicken licking akhathwene eksema jaji la kunensolo ukuthi last year nasirobha kodwa ke asinanombolo Kwawininanda ngoba kunomadolo lapho ngempela ngamshaya sabe no kiss madolo Usatisfied the Maren Hill is secret weapon ngiyafundisa uqola imfeka ama Angithemba I can rely on lama chicken licking akhathwene hungry lion Satisfied one song Yo, I go by the name of Satisfied. Iparatata, cheese boy, pantul, into engabe ihlala esense inkinga lokishini bazoyikhumbula. Awuyifaka isidansa mfethu.
Yeah. Uyangibuka uyablash uyangiziba kodwa ngathi uyangifuna Ngane zokukhuluma isingisi ngiyayifuna kodwa ngathi siyangihlula They be like oh my god I be like ngakhetha nokuthula Ngathi ngiyafika ngiyakuyena ngizoshela ngavele ngadlula ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Mina ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Mina ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna
Ekuseni ngane ezithandela imali nomjitho nesipani ozoyithengela imbali udle ngedrip and ukhuluma isingisi ingane zithi mzibe loya akanamali fike nobani behamba ngani sekhokha ibhili kimi ingakanani myekena spende myekena thenge ekugcineni mshaye ngepani ngane ziqapha izulu kuvala inqolobani ngithi usheme ngoba isulumani muthi yashela kuthiwa ukhulumani phathwe ekhanda qali Plus ubheke nonsindi ngesindi nozandi Bokati ghost ngoba usindi ngathi ugangi You wanna tap and you wanna just leave Wafaka ipini kuthiwa usindi usebambini Nangu uyangibuka uyablush uyangiziba kodwa ngathi uyangifuna Ngane zinokukhuluma isingisi ngiyayifuna kodwa ngathi siyangihlula They be like oh my god I be like shh akhetha nokuthula Ngathi ngiyafika ngakena ngizoshela ngavele ngadlula ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Mina ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Laba ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Ngathi uyangifuna Lalela ngathi uyangifuna But this girl Sam sends amasimba chips got no amapringile Kelo shy list week, kelo shy front step Mina mangibona nyusisingile Correct Lately I've been trying to live my life right Phone Twitter mina njenge last bite Ngoba uthanda mina when it feels right Then you tryna hide me when the sun's right Now my grass green and the sun right Niggas hoping I fall but I stand like a one night I be that dog, niggas step there, they won't bite Niggas step in and they been on the door side What you mean you thought that I won't fight? What you mean I'm saying things you don't like? Mina phume ekasi ngizoduma ngenkani Sini imoto siyayikhika when it won't start Nangu uyangibuka uyablush uyangiziba kodwa ngathi uyangifuna Ngane zinokukhuluma isingisi ngiyayifuna kodwa ngathi ziyangihlula They be like oh my god I be like shh akhetha nokuthula Ngathi ngiyafika ngakuyena ngizoshela ngavele ngadlule ngathi angibonanga
Yeah. Asizonzo wafitha kajajwa. Asivala kajajwa ne. Bathi ngimzwile usazi edisa wonke umuntu kodwa mina ngisafe ngoba sumoya wodwa. Shout out to usazi kanjalo.